The 2025 Audi RS3 is here, and it's better than ever. With its unique inline-5 engine, this car continues to define Audi's performance lineup, offering a thrilling driving experience. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Under the hood, the RS3 boasts a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-5 engine, delivering 401 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Long after Peach's departure, his influence remains. The facelifted Audi RS3 has an inline-5 in 2025, that lovely little offbeat engine called the 07K. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and quattro all-wheel drive, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. Audi has refined the RS3's handling with a focus on the rear differential and brake vectoring. Audi has retuned this program to favor more stability, especially to promote confidence on corner entry. The rear diff is a trick unit on its own. It's a locked differential with a clutch pack at each axle output. The clutch packs are controlled by worm gears instead of hydraulics. An odd choice, but effective. The car can send 50% of its power to the rear axle, enhancing stability and cornering precision. New Pirelli P0R tires further elevate the driving dynamics. The facelifted RS3 offers a more pleasurable driving experience with improved steering and braking. Handling balance was splendid, with unshakable stability during corner entry gradually turning into mid-corner yaw. At the suggestion of throttle, the yaw continued, keeping the RS3 pointy until the very end of the corner. The car feels more natural and connected, trading the previous model's nervousness for a smoother, more engaging ride on both roads and tracks. Inside, the RS3 features a quiet cabin with advanced technology, including a heads-up display and a crisp infotainment system. However, the new steering wheel design and touch-sensitive controls may not appeal to everyone. Overall, the 2025 Audi RS3 combines character and charm with performance, making it a novel and fun choice for driving enthusiasts. The tweaks were subtle, but the new RS3 is a much better car. Most of all, it has character and charm that comes down almost entirely to two things: the trick rear diff and the inline-5, mostly the inline-5. And if this world needs something more than ever, it's cars that are novel and fun. The RS3 fulfills just that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.